Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a little feature you have on your Chromebook, and you also have it on computers here at school, and it's called Read Write. It's going to be up here in the corner, it should be, and so if I don't read the word problem to you, you can use this little feature to have it read to you, okay? So I'm going to highlight this problem. So I just got my mouse and selected all of it, and then I'm going to do Read Write. Okay, and then it gives you a little set of features up here, and you're just going to press play.
William drove his 18-wheeler 843 miles in 2 days. He drove 428 miles on the first day. Represent the number of miles William drove on the second day using base 10 blocks and an equation. Okay,
so it's going to read all of the words that I have typed out on the slide. Now, if I insert a picture, it will not read those words for you, and so I'm going to do my best to have those read to you. But times where I type out words on the slide, you just use that little feature and it does all the work for you, and it even highlights it so you can follow along and know exactly what word it's reading.